Good morning, guys. How's it going? Thank you for tuning in to another video. Rush here, back at it again. Today is the first day of 2019, and what better way to start off 2019 by taking out Side Boo, going for a cruise with the boys today. We're heading to the canyons. Super pumped to take you guys along. This is going to be officially the first cruise of the year, and well, we're gonna have some fun because we need to start off 2019 right. And I need to put my seatbelt on because that noise is really annoying. But yeah, so the boys are meeting up right now. I'm probably running a little late, but it's all right because they have to wait for me. I'm gonna do a pull in a tunnel pull for you guys. Woo, baby! That's what I'm talking about. Alrighty guys, one thing I didn't show you is I was behind the Demon for a little bit, and they have really wide tires, so I'm worried because he kicked up a bunch of rocks because he swerved around something, and that I heard something hit my windshield. So I'm hoping the Demon didn't crack my windshield anywhere or break anything, because it was a loud pop. I didn't get it on camera, but I'm gonna check it out as soon as I show up to my buddy's house here and see what's going on. So fingers crossed that nothing is broken on the SRT, but it was a pretty loud windshield rock, hit of some sort. But my windshield is a little dirty from all the dust, so I can't even tell right now. Alrighty guys, so pulled up and we have the cars right here. We got a Z06 TA392 SRT and another SRT, and we'll check it out. Hellcats at the garage. And this thing is an absolute beauty. Really? You are running a meteor. Got Angelo's 5.0. Oh man, the man of the hour showed up. And this guy, I saw him last night for New Year's. Oh my god. Where's that Side Boo keychain at? Hey, let's forward that. Give him a plug. Show him what's up.
Oh shit, where is it? Did they steal it? Oh, there it is.
There it is, boys and girls.
Why don't I get one?
Pick it up. Where at?
At rushsrt.com.
Rushsrt.com.
Like that.
You won't have the baby. You have to babysit now. The baby. So you literally have to babysit. I'm gonna get it.
I'm in.
You have to I'm not even kidding.
He's on it. The red one. It's not loud.
Here you go.
Look at the rainbow.
Say you woke me up. Too much pressure? Here you go. I'll see you later. I love you. Oh, you're showing them your boots?
Oh, they're very nice boots. What do they have on them? Oh, birds.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, the baby's about to wake up for real. Now that is a proper cold start. I'm actually yelling right now. Alright guys, so my ride for the day is gonna be the Hellcat because I can't film the canyons and drive at the same time. Not very safe. So there's a current lineup, and we have a vet with us. So you gotta have all 700 horsepower for the canyons and drag radials, right?
And drag radials. And drag radials. Look at our tire pressure down to 26 on the rears.
Oh god. Yo, have you guys been on this car before?
Yeah. One.
You have?
Yeah.
All right.
Both the gas I think so.
ride, a temp approach, 2 tunnels. Oh man, here comes the first one, boys. Are you guys ready for it?
It's fucking cold.
God damn! Alright guys, I'm switching cars here. I'm gonna go in the Z06.
Turn on the heater.
Oh man, this is so much lower. Here we go. You're about to switch me over to Chevy after this ride. I love the way this thing feels. Okay guys, so that pretty much concludes the canyon run. Very interesting ride, very fun ride. Thank you so much for letting me try the Z06. You want to go ahead and tell them what your YouTube?
My Instagram? Well, yeah. I haven't started my YouTube yet.
He's gonna start soon.
Yeah, so my Instagram is Z06Hazler, and everything's spelled like how it should be. Hazler, and then
okay, I'll throw it up on the screen guys so you guys can check it out. But he has a really nice Z06. There it is, Z06Hazler. That's what things have come to right now. We're getting a little warm off the supercharger.
Yeah, dude.
It's not even that hot anymore.
It's proof like it's just a little.
Check out this view though.
There should be a sign. They always have signs.
Guys, I'm gonna be going to Canada probably next week, and this is good preparation. It is super cold. But, ooh. All right, let's do this. Shout out to Toronto Maple Leafs. I'm going to Toronto. So, if you are out in the 6th, hit me up. But me and the boys cruise up here. My hands have literally taken a beating. I don't do too well with the cold. My fingers are like cracking open. If y'all can see that, check that out. But, so after taking a ride in the Hellcat and a ride in the Z06, 2 very different rides completely. So the Z06 is very precise, very planted, and a secure feeling, so you don't feel like you're going that fast, and you can take turns obviously at a lot higher pace, which is great if you are looking for that kind of a thing. The Hellcat on the other hand is a very exciting ride. So there's it's like a lot of drama and action going on. You feel everything in terms of like the weight transfer, the power coming in. So it's like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like an amusement park ride where you're just kind of like waiting for the action to come, and then it hits, you get like a little feel of it and you want more. So that's as best as I can explain it right now. And I'm sorry, I'm like stuttering my words a little bit because I'm freezing my ass off up here. All right guys, I'm gonna get some. That's right. Got another runner up. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. We had a lot of fun up there on the canyons, and that's the lineup right there. So if you did enjoy this video and you're new, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel with the notification bell so you get notified when I do post. My name is Rush. My SRT's not here, but we'll catch you guys later. Peace.